This is the 97 LX 450. It's got a beautiful frame, brand new knuckles, both sides. Lots of recent service, brand new tires. Absolutely beautiful frame, practically rust-free. Fuel tank cover, perfect shape, differential, really clean frame. Got a little bit of dirt, but we're gonna clean that off, and overall the frame on this one looks fantastic. Brand new tires. And original wheels were, you see they've kind of corroded, so which is pretty typical. So we're actually gonna restore them, and we're gonna have them, I believe we're either gonna restore them and have them refinished more of like this color or the color of the truck to give it that desert Land Cruiser look. It's gonna look amazing. So check the side of the frame, excellent condition. Lower control arms, just a really great truck. Okay guys, thanks for watching.